What's up guys, Hobie Brown, aka Spider Punk without his mask. So, I'm on a landscape page, pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So we got like a head tilt, right? He's kind of like, his head is like tilted, smirking. It's hard to get one of them like just looking forward. So, let's just start with his eyes, right? So we do a curve line, just coming across here. And it's kind of thicker on the end, it looks like. Well, it depends on the type of image, but it looks thicker in the one I'm drawing. He's drawn kind of crazy in the movie. It's pretty cool that they did it this way. Alright, bottom eyelid line just curves across here, like so. Iris, there, half circle from the top eyelid. And then pupil, black, circle there, like so. Got a top eyelid line, like so. Bottom eyelid line, there. And sometimes they have like extra lines. But that's kind of the eyes we're dealing with, okay? His eyebrow then, arched up and down, like so. Add a thicker end, so it goes spiking up, and then it gets skinnier as it comes down towards the front. You can color it black, gray, depending on what type of thing you want to do with them. I'll just go black. Okay, do this over here. So we're going to go diagonally over, and you're about eye width, right? So the width of his eye. His eyes are quite big. Fits in between. So that's where the next eye starts. So this whole width, don't know if you can see that now. So this whole width will fit in between, right? And then the next eye, same thing again. So we go up and across. And again, we're going to add some eyelashes, like thicken up the end basically. Bottom eyelid line then again. Like so. Iris and pupil, half circle, quite big. Like that. And then the pupil again. Like so, and just color it black. Top eyelid line, up and across. And then he's got sort of bags under his eyes. And they sometimes can have extra lines around his eyes as well. So for his nose, oh no, his eyebrow, sorry. His eyebrow first. It goes up, down, there. And then it kind of comes up. Arm work a little bit in 3/4 pose, I think. So, color black. Right, and then eyebrow, well, nose, and then eyebrow piercing. We'll do the piercing sort of at the end. So nose then curves down this way, right? It gets like wider at the end, right? Curving down there. And he can have like some frowning lines and stuff on top here. And then nostrils underneath, so down and up, quite a wide nose. And then square nostrils on the side. And there's a piercing here, right? So I guess we'll do the piercing kind of like that. And the nostril will come out the side, like so. So his mouth then, so he's got a big smile, right? So he's like smirking. So it comes like down across. We'll just go like up here. Yeah, it goes like diagonal. Big there, right? And then top lip, pretty big, down, up, down to there. And then we have a lip ring. Like so. And his bottom lip then. Comes up like that. Right, so his chin, real square. Just down this way. You could have like a chin line maybe. Like there. So then we're kind of in 3/4, but we can see like his jaw on this side going up this side of his face. Yeah, it goes up all the way towards the ear, and we've got like a sideburn here. And on this side, jaw. And then we go up around to the eyebrow area there. And then we can see some cheekbones sort of drawn in like that, and maybe here as well. And then his hairline comes around and kind of curves over his forehead and down around to here. Then ears, so from the sideburn on this side, ears stick out, and there's like piercings and stuff. Ear just sticks out here. We see a little bit of an ear on this side as well, I'd say. Like so. And the easiest way is the letter J for the ear lines inside. If you want adding more, there's always an option. Like so. And then we'll do some like piercings on the ear, just sort of hanging off here. Is there ones? Is there supposed to be two? One. Okay, it looks like another one here. And then one hanging off. Okay, well, I think there's one hanging off. There, and maybe one hanging off here. Looks like just one on that side. Lip ring, nose ring. Right, and then we have these piercings on his forehead. So they're like spiky, are they? Right, like that. Ba-ba-dum-bum-bum. So, hair, afro, big one. And it's not drawn. It's crazy. Okay, so it's like, how do I draw this? It's just like a big crazy squiggle. Let me see. Okay, and it kind of goes down behind his head. So let's see. So we'll just do this like super quick, sort of like this. Okay, and then like coming down here too. So it is drawn really rough in the movie. Right, this is the way it looks. So It's kind of crazy looking. It's fun to draw. I'm not gonna lie. And like a big one just up there. I might go off my page a bit. And that's it really. And it's all black with like squiggles all over it and stuff. So if you want to give that some more detail than I have, feel free. But I think that's the best I can do with that. I don't know, I kind of like it. So, costume. So we can see his neck just coming down from his jaw there, right? And on this side, neck goes down behind a collar on this side, because his head's kind of tilted. So there is this like leather strap collar here. And you got like some neck muscles, and then the other side of this collar here, we'll give it an edge. And like there's like a buckle or something here. And then you have all studs. I'll do them circular. I think they're like square diamond, but we'll go sort of circly because it's easier. Right, and then his jacket. So he's got like a denim jacket and a guitar strap coming across that. We'll just do the jacket first. Going that way. And then the other side of this comes out. Spike it in. Out there. And then this comes out. Spike it in. Back out. There. There's a button down here. So lots of these circle sort of buttons and stuff. Let me give this an edge line. It looks to be white, but it always changes in the movie. So right, and then we have webbing and a ripped t-shirt here. So like a ripped t-shirt and then webbing. A little bit of webbing there. Right, and then spikes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 again. And then his shoulder with this guitar strap coming down this way. And his jacket coming down here. And then this has like circles and like buttons and studs. Like lots of this stuff. On him, and then shoulder comes off this way on this side. Like his denim jacket goes down here. Right, and then his actual like shoulder, like his t-shirt, sort of here, and it's ripped and torn, and it's got like holes in it and scraggly looking dirt and stuff, like the stains and stuff all over him. Because he's punk rock. Right. And sometimes they have like lines around them. I don't know if you want to do that, but you know, they do this crazy sort of stuff. that. But I think that'll do. Hobie Brown from across the universe. Hope it's Spiderverse, not universe. Across the Spiderverse. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.